Introduction. The recent advancement in science and technology has created opportunities and various challenges in different sectors of the economy. The COVID-19 vaccine, CRISPR gene editing injected into the blood, and the launch of the James Webb Telescope are some of the recent notable opportunities created by improvement in science and technology. On the negative side, technology has had negative consequences on information security, skill gap in various companies, and disconnected communities. Opportunities in science technology. Development of COVID-19 vaccine. The development of the COVID-19 vaccine would not have been possible without technological advances. Science and technology were also instrumental in its deployment to the public. The time for setup and production was reduced from days and weeks long to just hours. Processes that would have been manual were automated, and cold chain processes were managed holistically. The use of automation technologies also played an essential role in reducing the schedule from testing to the final product delivery. CRISPR-based gene editing technology. The first team to directly disable a disease gene in a person using the genome editor CRISPR announced that the gene's harmful protein levels plummeted by up to 93% for several months. The researchers believed that participants in the clinical study would immediately notice a significant improvement in their nerve problems because of the long-term reduction. Terence Flott, a gene therapy expert, remarked, "It is rather astonishing that this first CRISPR-based gene editing attempt has been so successful." James Webb Space Telescope. Astronomers expect to detect the first galaxies to emerge in the universe, look for Earth-like atmospheres on different planets and fulfill many more scientific goals in space with the advanced James Webb Space Telescope. Scientists launched it into space on December 25, 2021. The telescope has a big mirror that must be kept at extremely low temperatures to look deep into the universe. However, taking such a delicate piece of equipment into orbit is no easy task. Researchers faced numerous hurdles in designing, testing, launching, and aligning the most powerful space telescope ever built. Challenges in science technology. Social division. The divide between urban and rural areas and digital haves and have-nots continues to increase. Furthermore, the opportunity to communicate in a forum where every member's opinion matters in society are dwindling. Those who can access technology advance quicker in the digital platforms than those who do not use digital discourse, interpersonal. The concept of social, interpersonal connections is fading away due to various means of socializing like Facebook and WhatsApp. Data breaches. The most typical attacks caused by science and technology advancements are phishing, spam, and ransomware masquerading as legitimate COVID-19 apps, which harm remote employees and end users. The volume, intensity, and scope of cyber attacks have all increased, according to 26% of the CEOs polled. Data breaches occur for a number of reasons, theft being the most common reason. Data breaches have become common in the cloud computing era. There have been numerous events like this since the beginning of computing, and more recently, cloud computing, since cloud computing provides on-demand infrastructure, software, and platform services, it is more likely to have data breaches. Conclusion. In conclusion, advancement in science and technology has a positive impact on the well-being of society at large if used appropriately without manipulation. If the technology is not used well, it can cause social and economic difficulties within the community that will eventually hinder development. Above all, the advantages of recent advancements in science and technology outweigh the demerits, therefore, we should embrace technology for posterity. You can find this and many other essay samples on our website, studycorgi.com.